The modern vehicle faces an escalating data dilemma. As automotive systems become increasingly sophisticated, the sheer volume of information generated by sensors, cameras, and electronic control units threatens to overwhelm existing in-car communication networks. This challenge introduces latency, compromises system efficiency, and restricts the integration of advanced functionalities, creating a critical bottleneck for future automotive innovation. For decades, the controller area network, or CAN bus, served as the backbone for inter-ECU communication. Designed for robustness in noisy environments and low-cost implementation, CAN excels at transmitting small packets of data for critical functions like engine control and braking. However, its maximum data rate, typically 1 megabit per second, became a severe limitation as complex systems demanded greater throughput. This architectural constraint prevented the seamless exchange of large data streams necessary for advanced features. The proliferation of sophisticated sensors fundamentally reshaped the automotive data landscape. High-resolution cameras for surround view systems, radar units for adaptive cruise control, and LiDAR sensors for precise environmental mapping generate gigabytes of data every second. Each sensor contributes to a collective need for an infrastructure capable of handling significantly higher bandwidths than traditional automotive networks could provide. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, exemplify this demand. Features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and parking assistance rely on real-time processing of extensive sensor data. Concurrently, the infotainment systems have evolved from simple radios to complex multimedia hubs, streaming high-definition content, providing navigation, and supporting multiple connected devices, all contributing to the escalating data load within the vehicle. While other networks like Local Interconnect Network, LIN, multimedia-oriented transport, MOST, and FlexRay address specific needs, they introduce their own set of constraints. LIN handles low-cost, low-speed applications. MOST prioritizes multimedia streaming but lacks determinism for safety-critical tasks. FlexRay offered higher bandwidth and determinism than CAN but at a significantly higher cost and complexity, limiting its widespread adoption as a universal solution. The conventional distributed architecture, where numerous individual ECUs managed specific functions, proved inefficient for integrating these new data-intensive features. This paradigm created redundancy, increased wiring complexity, and hindered software updates. The industry began moving towards centralized domain controllers and ultimately, zonal architectures, requiring a single, high bandwidth, and flexible network to interconnect these powerful computing nodes. Recognizing the limitations of existing in-car networks and the growing demand for high-speed data transfer, engineers looked to an established technology, Ethernet. Widely used in IT infrastructure for its scalability, high bandwidth, and robust standards, Ethernet presented a compelling candidate. Its proven ability to handle vast amounts of data in complex network environments made it an attractive solution for the evolving automotive landscape. However, porting standard Ethernet directly into a vehicle presented significant engineering challenges. Automotive environments are harsh, characterized by extreme temperatures, electromagnetic interference, and strict weight and cost constraints. Traditional 4-pair Ethernet cabling was too bulky and expensive. This necessitated the development of single-pair Ethernet, specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of automotive applications while reducing cabling weight and complexity. Automotive Ethernet offers several critical advantages over previous in-car networking technologies. Its high bandwidth capabilities, ranging from 100 megabits to several gigabits per second, enable the concurrent transmission of sensor data, infotainment streams, and diagnostic information. Furthermore, its scalability allows for easy integration of new features and systems, providing a future-proof networking backbone that can adapt to evolving vehicle architectures and software-defined functionalities. The development of specific Ethernet standards for automotive use cases was crucial. 100 base T1 enabled 100 megabits per second over a single twisted pair, significantly reducing wiring. Subsequently, 1000 base T1 provided gigabit speeds, essential for advanced ADAS and autonomous driving systems. Newer standards, including 2.5 base T1, 5 base T1, and 10 base T1, are now emerging, pushing bandwidth limits further to support the ever-increasing data demands of future vehicles. For safety-critical automotive applications, standard Ethernet's non-deterministic nature was a significant concern. This led to the development of time-sensitive networking, or TSN, a set of IEEE 802.1 standards. TSN augments Ethernet with mechanisms for precise time synchronization, traffic scheduling, and frame preemption. These features ensure deterministic, low-latency communication, crucial for functions like drive-by-wire and sensor fusion, where data delivery must occur within strict deadlines. As vehicles become increasingly connected to external networks and services, cybersecurity becomes paramount. Automotive Ethernet facilitates robust security measures by providing the necessary bandwidth for encryption, authentication protocols, and intrusion detection systems. Network segmentation and secure boot processes can be implemented more effectively, protecting vehicle systems from unauthorized access and malicious attacks, which is vital for occupant safety and data privacy. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, offers another significant advantage in automotive applications. By delivering both electrical power and data over a single Ethernet cable, PoE simplifies wiring harnesses, reduces vehicle weight, and lowers manufacturing costs. This is particularly beneficial for powering remote sensors, cameras, and other network devices, streamlining installation and minimizing the complexity of the vehicle's electrical architecture. The integration of Ethernet is fundamental to the concept of the software-defined vehicle. This architecture allows for features and updates to be delivered over the air, transforming the vehicle into an adaptable platform. Ethernet provides the necessary high-speed data pathways for these continuous software updates, enabling new functionalities to be deployed and existing systems to be improved throughout the vehicle's lifecycle, much like a smartphone. The evolution of automotive networking towards Ethernet is not merely an upgrade, it is a foundational shift. By addressing the limitations of legacy systems and providing a robust, scalable, and secure data backbone, Ethernet enables the next generation of connected, autonomous, and software-defined vehicles. This transition is imperative for realizing the full potential of advanced driver assistance systems, enhanced infotainment, and entirely new mobility experiences.